How to make Keto Almond Oatmeal. The ingredients: 2 teaspoon golden flaxseed meal, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 3/4 cup almond flour, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 2 medium strawberries, 15 gram pea protein, 2 tablespoon low-carb maple syrup. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. In a saucepan, add the golden flaxseed meal, almond flour, and cinnamon. Stir to combine well. 3. Stir in the almond milk and make sure everything gets combined well. Over low to medium heat, bring this to a simmer. 4. Once simmering, add the maple syrup and coconut oil. Continue stirring this for 3 minutes or until it becomes thick, like oatmeal. 5. Top the oatmeal with sliced strawberries and a dash of cinnamon. Enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 2 servings of Keto Almond Oatmeal. Each serving comes out to be 364 calories, 30.2 grams fat, 5.4 grams net carbs, and 15.8 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.